Hello and welcome to this super short tutorial on how to start your own meditation practice. So I'm going to talk you through how to start this practice and then I'd like you to give it a go. So the first step is to find a comfortable seated position. That could be kneeling, that could be cross-legged, your feet outstretched, even on a chair. Finding a position that you can stay comfortable in and that you've got a nice straight spine, and having a straight spine will help you to breathe. Step 2 is to close your eyes or to find a soft gaze, bringing your attention inward. Step 3 is to start to bring your attention to a specific body part. So checking in with yourself and finding where you feel the breath most prominent. So that might be in your nose or underneath your nostrils, in your throat, in your chest or rib area, or your belly. And once you've found where you can feel the breath most prominently, this is your base. And what you're going to do in your practice is bring your attention to that base. And what I'd recommend that you do is spend just a couple of minutes to start with. So perhaps set a timer, put 2 minutes on the clock, and gradually work yourself up. What you're going to do is breathe and focus that attention on that base. Every time your attention wanders, you bring it back to that base. It's totally normal for your attention to go elsewhere. All you've got to do is bring that attention, focus that attention on that body part. So every inhale and exhale, you feel that energy and that breath go to that body part.